Set AQ10 solution. Here we will use for loop and explanation of the code will be at the end. Explanation. This code creates a simple HTML page that allows a user to enter a number in a text input field, and then when the user clicks a button, it will print all the odd numbers from 1 to the entered number in the web page using JavaScript. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the code works. The first line declares an HTML document. The second line opens the body section of the HTML document. The third line creates a text input field with an ID of num. The fourth line creates a button with the text, "Click here," and an onClick attribute that specifies the JavaScript function to be called when the button is clicked. The fifth line starts a script tag that contains a JavaScript function called printout. Inside the printout function, the first line gets the value of the input field with ID num using the getElementWeed method and stores it in a variable called n. The for loop then starts with an iterator variable I initialized to 1 and continues until I is greater than or equal to n. The if statement checks if the current value of I is an odd number using the modulo operator %. If I is odd, i.e., if I%2 is not equal to 0, then the code inside the if statement is executed. The code inside the if statement uses the document write method to print the current value of I on the web page, followed by a line break using the <br greater than HTML tag. Finally, the script tag is closed and the body and HTML tags are also closed. In summary, the code creates a simple web page that allows the user to input a number and then prints all the odd numbers up to that number in the web page using JavaScript.